What's going on, guys? So I got here my microwave, stopped heating. This is a Samsung. So after checking and metering everything out, from the transformer, ohms, to the capacitor, to the fuse, led me to believe that it was the magnetron. So today I got the new one in the mail. I ordered a original Samsung one, and I'm about to put it in. So when I removed the old one, this is what I found. This is the old one here. Okay. So what I found here was that the magnet inside was cracked. You see that? So then I was like, oh, okay, so this has to be the problem. Because the microwave was running and everything, it just wouldn't heat. So I gotta see if it brings the sensor. If not, I'm gonna have to remove it. This sensor is working, by the way. I got continuity. Okay, so I already left the screws in here so I don't misplace them. This is the transformer. Yeah, my switches in there, they're working fine. I metered those two. Okay, let's unwrap the new one here. So here goes the new one. Good magnets, brand new, Samsung. And as I see, I gotta take this sensor off and put it on here. This one here. So you see this little the way this goes in the hole there. See that piece? Have to put it in there like that. Okay, so I got the sensor in. Sensor goes facing up that hole there. This goes in there. The latch is there. See that? Metal. They go wedged right in there. Now we get to put these screws on there. And as you can see, when putting the trying to put the screws in there, because it's pretty jammed up in there, you know, once you have the magnetron and that. So trying to put the screw in by hand, this is what happens with the magnet. So let's see if I can, this is the wrong tip too, to the screwdriver, so I'm just being lazy. I got another one in my storage, but just lazy to get up right now. Let's see if this will work. I'll try to keep away from the magnet a bit. And it did. So far, so good. Yep. Now for the other one. You know, guys, it's actually relaxing, you know, when you do things like these, you know. Gotta balance it correct. Now this one's a little bit more comfortable, but let's see. You see? I'm gonna have to use both my hands for this. So I was trying to put it in and hold it with my hand. At the same time, the screw got magnetized. So guess what? I'm gonna have to take the whole thing back out. Would be easier to oh no, I don't think so. I was gonna say remove the fan, but it's okay. I'll make something work. So something kind of silly came into my mind as I was getting a little annoyed by this magnet. I was like, okay, you little magnet, you wanna mess with me? I'm gonna mess with you back. Where are you going? You trying to mess with me too? If you guys use a long Phillips, it'll definitely be a lot more comfortable. Just make sure that you're not forcing the fan, all right? Whatever you do, make sure you don't force the fan blade, okay? I'm doing this because I'm not forcing it. It's a little bit more uncomfortable, but kind of like the challenge a little bit, you know. And here we are. That's it. Put this back. Everything else looks good. Okay guys, so we're all done. Now let's test it. Let's stand back in case it explodes. That should be good enough. And we're in business. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another job done by your boy Gus. So now you guys know what you got to do. Now I'm about to clean this baby up. Give it a nice little thorough cleaning. And then hang it back up. Your boy Gus. Until next time.